All right, we're over here at Summit Racing in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and we're going to do a walk around inside here. It's the world's largest automotive parts store that you'll ever be in. I'm here with Julio, the truck driver guy that has a 69 Chevy truck, and we're here to pick some parts up. So we're going to do a walk around of this place. It's almost as big as a Walmart store in here, Julio.
It is. It's pretty
almost as big. Right here, look. Let's go look around. What's this? What do we got right here? Look what that says. 1970 Plymouth. 330, number 335 at 1990. Now look what this says here, dude. A true unmolested survivor. They're claiming that's all factory OEM original, guy. You believe that? You believe that that car's never been restored?
I don't know. It's hard to believe.
That's pretty hard to believe, huh? Look at that thing, guy. That's a Plymouth Roadrunner right there, Superbird. You see what we're looking at? That's a true original Superbird. Wow. I gotta go talk to this guy and ask him. Hey, buddy. How you doing, partner?
Great, how are you?
What's your name, bud?
Ethan.
How you doing, Ethan?
Great, nice to meet you.
Okay, good. Let me ask you a question. That thing says unmolested.
Yes, sir.
Does that mean it's never been restored? That's all original.
Exactly, yes,
You're joking me, right?
I promise.
You promise me?
I promise.
Okay, but
Yes,
I'm gonna take your word for it, Ethan.
All right.
If Ethan says it's true, then it must be true, Julio. You know what I'm saying? All right, look at all the pulley sets they sell here, guy. Now look at this one here. This has Summit Racing on it. I'm wondering if this is if somebody actually manufactures that for them and they put their name on it. What do you think?
I think so too.
That's kind of like the hottest item going, but look what we got here. You can buy this whole package deal right here, guy. The whole chrome package for one price. Well, look, there's the rest of it. See how it kind of... Now, can you imagine buying that whole package kit right there for your car?
Oh man, that'd be nice.
Wow. That'd be nice.
That'd be nice.
Only if we could afford that.
Yeah.
Now, this is a pretty nice setup right here. I kind of like this one. Look, you got your little mini AC compressor. You got your one-wire alternator. You see what I'm saying? And this is highly polished. I wonder if that's clear coated too. But you know what I don't like about it? Look at that, dude. Wow. Okay, so as we come through the Summit Racing Museum, Julio, where are you going, dude? Oh, are these racing seats they sell?
Yeah, so you can test them out.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
You're good.
Would you call this like a superstore museum, the way they got it laid out?
Yep, they got everything laid out pretty good.
I mean, look at this, dude. You need a rear end cover? We got it. We got you covered. Oh, I'm sorry. You said starter. Look at here. We got you covered. Got any starter you want here? All right. Did you say transmission pan, chrome plated? Yes, we do have that. Oh, I'm sorry. We got the Arp Bolt Kits that go along with it. See what I mean? This is ridiculous, dude. Looky here.
Painless.
We got your wire harness right here. Painless wiring. And we're not talking just...
This is all set up. Look at it.
You think so? You think that's set up that way?
Look, it's like, this is for my truck.
Look, this is your truck.
This is it.
This is it right here. Wow.
And it's already...
But you know what? We would have had to cut this because you don't have that steering wheel anymore.
Yep.
That steering column's different than yours.
Yep.
That's yours right there. Look at this one. Look at them all. Wire harnesses galore, dude. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you say you needed a new steering wheel, Julio? Look what we got here, bud. The steering wheel's your choice.
Is this the one that I have? This one, but it's unfinished.
Is that yours right there?
Yeah. I wish I would have got something like this.
Well, you always can. It's only $183.
That's all right.
Get one.
Nah, I'm good.
So yeah, we're at the Summit Racing store. It's actually kind of like a museum, and they basically got anything you want and more, you might say. Did you say you wanted some Hot Rod t-shirts today, Julio? Is that what you were talking about? Okay, because they got those as well, bud. Did I mention this place kind of resembles a museum? Look what they got hanging from the ceiling over here, Julio. Wow. And then there's another one in the ceiling right there. Let's not forget this one over the bathrooms. The funny car action. And these are real cars, folks. These are real cars you're looking at. I'm gonna be honest with you, Julio. This place has everything, dude.
So that's all, man.
Everything.
Anything you need.
Everything. What's over here? Let's go over here. This is like a Walmart for guys, you know? This is the guys' Walmart store.
Carburetors.
Did somebody say they needed a carburetor? What kind did you want? Oh, I'm sorry. You said you wanted a 2-barrel. 1-barrel. Do they have a 2-barrel? Yes, they do. Look at this. A Rochester 2-barrel that would go on a 1977 Chevy pickup truck, 350 engine. They have it, dude. They got it. Do you believe this, dude? Are you looking at what I'm looking at? They got any carburetor that you want. Any style, shape, size, and form right here at Summit Racing. Where's your carburetor, buddy? Which one did you get?
I got the Elbrock.
Did you get an Eldebrock 650?
1406.
There you go. That's the most popular carburetor on the market right there, bud.
Something dirty.
Well, I hate to disappoint you, Julio, but I think you should have went with a double ram, 4-barrel carburetor setup right there. Tunnel ram, 2-barrel. That would give you eight barrels for, you know,
Probably buy new tires.
for the low ball price of, we don't even know how much. Just go ahead and add all this up and that'll give you the price of what's going on here. I will say one thing about it, they really have it set up where you can actually see stuff.
Touch it.
And it's pretty, you can even touch and feel it, and wow. You sure you don't want to put one of these on your car, Julio? A blower, okay? That might make your truck go faster, dude. Maybe. Were you saying that you might need a radiator or something?
A fan.
Electric fans.
Can we just put the electric fan?
You can put electric fans on there if you want to.
Should we?
No. Now look at this. Look at this action here. You could put this on there and make it look like a twin turbocharged job. When it's actually, that's just the air intake for your carburetors. What do you think of that idea? That would look cool, huh? People would open that hood and say, son of a bitch, that thing's got a twin turbo action job going there. Maybe. Hey, look at this right here, bud. You think you might need one?
Oh, baby alternator.
No, this is an electric water pump.
Oh.
Electric water pump, dude.
That's a baby alternator.
That's a baby alternator, and all that thing does is work your electric water pump.
Wow.
Is that pretty cool or what?
That's awesome.
Huh?
It's awesome.
Or is that the alternator?
It is.
I think that is a mini alternator. Because because the electric motor is actually installed in your water pump. So that is your alternator. And it's a 50 amp output, 1 wire, compatible for Chevrolet V8s. God, dude. I mean, I've heard of mini starters, but I've never heard of mini alternators.
This is an electric water pump where
that's the electric water pump right there. It makes it look like a, yeah, because this is where your blower would hook up, see?
Yeah.
So you would add this onto the same pulley as your blower, and then that's your electric that runs. I don't know, dude. I'm confused here, Julio. I'm really confused. There's too much stuff to look at.
Yeah.
Now, I will tell you something that will help cool your motor down.
What's that?
A flex fan. But the thing is, don't you have a clutch fan on yours?
Yes.
Okay, well, a clutch fan works better. So you got a good thing going. Okay, kind of like fuel injection, okay? Everybody would like to have the fuel injection on there.
This is nitro.
Is that nitro?
Yeah,
that's not even fuel injection, dude. Why did I say fuel injection?
No, it's nitro.
God, look at that setup. But you see how they got it all set up where you can touch it and play with it and feel it? This is like, you know what this is like? This is like you actually dove into the catalog and you're inside the catalog.
Yeah, it is.
You know, in the
Exactly
pages
like
looking at it.
Exactly. But you can touch it here.
But you can touch it. So you're part of the catalog in here, see?
You're right there.
You're actually part of the catalog.
Yeah. Sure are.
Wow. Hey, Julio. I think you messed up, dude. You messed up, bud. That's the engine you should have. That's the crate engine you should have bought for your truck. What do you think, guy?
It's too expensive for me.
How much you think something like that costs?
That's probably about.
I'll bet that's $25,000, $30,000.
Think so?
Oh yes.
I think maybe 15.
I'm thinking about $30,000 for that. I'm telling you, dude. We're gonna ask somebody. I'll bet you I'm closer than you are. If I bought that motor, how much are we looking at, guy? What's the price on something like that?
Nothing less than 15 grand.
You think it's up to
15
30,000? You think it's up to 30?
Probably.
You think so?
Yes, sir. He said 15 first.
No, he said nothing less than 15.
He said 15.
I'm saying 30,000.
You got supercharged, you got...
Yeah, I'm saying about $26,000 and you can have that in your truck, Julio. Am I right, guy? That's what I was thinking.
Not me.
Hey, Julio. Do you think this might be a car in a box? You can just buy the whole car? Or you think you might be able to buy this whole car in a box or what?
I don't know, man.
That's a pretty badass rat rod, dude. Look at the inside of that thing, guy. There's a lot of people that sign that. It says Barris on it. Look. There's Barris on it. Barris. Would you drive that car, Julio?
Hell yeah, I would.
Man, I thought this was like for automobile car stuff. They even sell stuff for motorcycles, guy. Motocross motorcycle stuff. I mean, they got everything. They even got quad runner action stuff going on here. Look, they got gun racks.
Yup.
Maybe you ought to put one of those in your back window.
Oh, man.
Put a gun rack back there.
Oh, it costs me.
Match that 69. Look, with your rifle. Your hunting rifle in Texas. So we just found out that, yeah, Summit Racing isn't just all about cars, it's about motorcycles too. We didn't know that. We didn't know that. Now let me ask you a question, Julio. Can you buy the whole drivetrain? You can buy everything.
Yep, you can buy everything.
Oh, look what we got here, bud. We got the X-Pipe.
Yep.
Now, do you know what these are?
Yeah, you take when you turn on your motor, you can open these up and it'll
Open that up, so it'll be straight exhaust.
Yep.
Yeah.
It'll sound loud.
Those are solenoids.
And these are opened up. You have a remote and you
Right,
turn it
right.
on. And then when you're going back on the road for the like regular road,
Right.
then all you have to do is just close it.
Uh-huh.
Push a remote and you're back.
There you go. Look, that one's open. That one's
Yep.
open.
Yep. Regular exhaust.
Yep. So you got dual open header exhaust, and then you got regular exhaust all in one.
Yep.
For a mere fraction of a cost of probably about $2,000. I wonder if they sell the chassis too. I'll bet they do. I'll bet you can buy this whole setup as one complete unit. And then check this one out, dude. It's got the X-frame going on it. Let's call it X-frame. You see that? That's crazy, ain't it? And this one's bag tagged and ready for air. But you know what's really cool about Summit stores? You come in here and they got everything right there for you to look at and touch and feel, dude.
Yes, sir.
It reminds me of that store. It used to be called Super Shops.
Super Shops.
You don't remember Super Shops, do
No,
you?
don't remember Super
Well,
Shops.
that's what it reminds me of.
Yep.
Well, what do you think, dude?
We need some bags for
What do
my
you think?
truck.
You gonna put some bags on there now?
Yeah.
Think we air ride now? Gonna drop it and lower it and slam it and bang it? Huh?
Yeah.
What do you think of Summit Racing, dude?
It's awesome.
Do you think it's big enough?
It's pretty big, man.
This place is like a Walmart, dude. It's a Walmart store for auto fanatics, guy.
Yep.
I can't believe it. All right, I hope you liked our little tour of Summit Racing. And if you're ever in Arlington, Texas, and you are a hot rodder, make sure that you stop right here at Summit Racing, located in Arlington, Texas, and you will not believe your eyes. They have everything and anything that has to do with racing, automotive, hot rodding, and now we found out even motorcycles. I'm sorry. They even sell hot dog stands. And they also sell icy machines and popcorn makers. And then they even have Skullhead liquor dispensers. So it's a lot more that meets the eye when you actually get here. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete, over at Summit Racing, checking it out and hopefully getting the parts we need for Julio's truck so I can get it out.